see how my face went? Yes, my face lost some weight. My forehead lost some weight just with some baby hairs. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Beauty for Your Eye. If you're new here, I'm your favorite Auntie TT with another wig review. Okay, so in this video, I got a wig from one of the YouTube influencer wig reviewers. And the name of the wig I got is Monica. The color is Ombre Blonde. The hair type is synthetic. It has a lace part, bumped ends, and yeah. So this is what it came in. Nothing fancy. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. It looks so yummy. Okay. If you're interested in this wig, I have a video for it. I will leave it down. I'll leave the link down in the description for you to review at your own convenience. Let's get into the video. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, cap construction. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It has two combs in the front. One right here. You can see that. Yeah, one right here, and one right here. Adjustable straps and a lace part. Okay, let me take off this gorgeous honey and try this honey on. Come on now. By the way, y'all like my makeup? You like the makeup? Okay, let me stop one. Alright, let's see what Monica gonna look like. What y'all think about this color? I think it's bomb, especially for the summertime. And I do love the blunt bob. I don't know, I feel like I need to cut a piece off. Where's my scissors? Okay, you know what I might do? What I always do to my other wigs? Just, let me see if I need to do that. Like, you know how I always cut a little slit right here to lay it down? I don't know if I want to do that. So, let's see what I can do. I feel like, I don't know. I might do some baby hair because I feel like it's making my forehead bigger. You know what I mean? Or maybe you don't, but my forehead looks 10 times bigger, or maybe my face is elongated and it appears that my forehead is bigger. I don't know, but either way, I need to fix it. Oh yeah, this is it. I just needed some baby hairs. I just needed some baby hairs, and now my face looks. Do you see how my face went? Yes, my face lost some weight. My forehead lost some weight just with some baby hairs. What? Why you never told me that? All you gotta do is put some baby hairs and your face goes snatched. I'm loving this wig. Ooh. This wig, this makeup, this t-shirt. I'm ready for outside. Too bad I'm not going there. Ooh, all I needed was some baby hairs, and this wig got me snatched. Okay. Pros for this wig, I'd say it is big head friendly. Love the color. It does come with some lace, but it's not too bad where it's not beginner friendly, so I'd say it is beginner friendly even if it's lace. It was easy to lay down once I figured out how to frame my face with it. Thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned next week for another wig review. And let me know down in the description below, did these baby hairs make the wig look better, especially on my forehead, because I felt like it did something. But I need to know what you guys think, so let me know down in the description below, and see you next week. Bye now.